Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you what you can do with different dressings. I'm going to show you how to make a dressing, basically a vinaigrette dressing, and the easiest way to make one. So basically, personally, I do a 3:1 ratio, but depending on your acidity, you can do a 2:1, but I would advise a 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio meaning 3 oil, 1 vinegar, or 1 acidity. And the acidity doesn't have to be vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use anything that's acidic. So your citrus fruits, that's lemons, oranges, you can go right ahead and use that, as well as other vinegars. Today I'm using apple cider vinegar, but you don't have to use that. You can go ahead and just use like red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar. Pretty much any acidity will work for this. I'm used to eyeballing my measurements, but for you guys at home, if you're really strict on the measurements, you can just do this. That's 3, so I'm going to use 6 tablespoons of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of the vinegar. Then you can add your vinegar, then we're going to mix this up. And then this, you can go ahead and actually add some salt and pepper. So once you have that basic down, you go ahead and add just a pinch of salt, not much, just some salt. And then of course some black pepper, because you want some flavor in here. And then you go ahead and mix this. Now if you don't have a whisk, I have a whisk here, I'm using a spoon just to show you this if you didn't have one. Or if you don't have a spoon either, of course you can use a fork, but I'm going to use my whisk only because I have one. But you guys, if you don't have one, don't have a heart attack. So I'm just going to mix this. And basically you want to make sure you mix this until it comes together. So you see that the oil and the vinegar comes together, they emulsify, and that's basically what you want for your vinaigrette. And that's basically a really simple standard vinaigrette. And then so for your vinaigrette, you can add this to your salads. You can also use it actually to do a marination of something like chicken if you wanted to. So I'm going to just add some herbs into this. Like I said, you can always play with it. It's your basic, but you can add some herbs. And if you add some herbs, I'm adding dhania, but if you have parsley at home, basil, basically like the soft herbs, you can add this in here. Things like rosemary wouldn't be good for this. Rosemary would be good as a marinade, but not as a dressing, because rosemary is very woody. So you want the soft herbs. And there we have a different dressing already. Then if you serve this to your guests, you call this a herb vinaigrette, and the other one is just a simple vinaigrette. Add another variation to this, and so I'm going to add mustard and some date syrup. I'm using date syrup because I have it. My brother bought it for me when he went to Israel, so I was really excited to get it. But if you guys don't have it at home, you can just use your normal honey. You don't have to use the date syrup. If you don't have it, honey is good enough, or maple syrup will work as well. So for this, I'm going to add some mustard as well as some date syrup. And the date syrup is basically for the sweetness. I'm going to go ahead and mix this, and this will automatically change. It's going to thicken. There you go. So you have your honey mustard dressing, and then you want to taste this. Again, I think it's important to always taste everything, so you know if you need to add something or not. I think this really tastes really good. But if you guys want to add some more black pepper, again, that's optional. You can go ahead and add some black pepper. So I'm going to transfer this into a clean bowl, just for your guests at home when they arrive. Presentation and everything. Okay? And that's it. You have your honey mustard dressing.